greentour tire stands at the forefront of eco-friendly innovation, driving sustainable progress in the tire industry. As a product designed with the environment in mind, greentour tires embody a commitment to reducing our ecological footprint while delivering exceptional performance. Greentour tires leverages state-of-the-art R&D and precision quality control technologies. For years, the Greentour team has consistently provided top-tier service and expert tire solutions to customers with unwavering commitment and integrity. The following series of products are included in our inventory. Root Tour. Root Tour series emphasizes low rolling resistance, extended mileage, and long-lasting durability for highway and long-distance travel. Optimized pressure distribution, combined with an improved tire profile, ensures more balanced stress across all areas, reducing heat caused by localized stress concentrations, and guaranteeing long-distance driving performance. The use of advanced wear-resistant compounds reduces rolling resistance and fuel consumption while extending the tire's service life. Through enhancements to the belt package structure and modifications to the design, the tire tread is guaranteed to achieve a more evenly distributed pressure, effectively eliminating uneven wear. Root Tour series enhances fuel efficiency while also reducing rolling resistance, extending the tire's mileage. Versatour. Versatour series is a regional transport tire from Greentour, engineered specifically to handle challenging and varied traffic conditions. The specially optimized contact area ensures even pressure distribution across the tire's tread area. By ultra-high tensile steel wires that is both durable and of high strength to improve the rigidity of the sidewalls and guarantee optimal maneuverability during turns. Premium rubber compounds, combined with a unique formulation and advanced manufacturing techniques, achieve an optimal balance between cut resistance and wear resistance, allowing the tire to perform reliably across various road conditions. Versatour series is designed to perform effectively in complex traffic conditions, enhancing overall safety features. Enduratour. Enduratour series serves specifically for industrial and mixed road condition transportation. The reinforced bead structure design enhances the tire impact resistance, allowing it to withstand harsh and rugged operating environments. Enhanced rubber compound, reinforced tread design, achieves low heat generation and puncture resistance, ensuring smooth vehicle operation and reduced tire operating temperature. The application of high-strength steel wires enhances load carrying capacity and improves overall tire safety. Enduratour series is engineered to tackle challenging obstacles. Greentour tires combine innovative technology, durability, and sustainability to deliver exceptional performance. Greentour, never stopping pushing the boundaries of innovation.